Hi, I'm Gary Rogowski. Here at the studio, we've got a series of classes coming up this April called the Hand Tool Shop. 4 weeks of hand tool work. Come and take 1 week, take all 4. But we spent a lot of time working with our tools at the bench to get a sense of slowing down, understanding precision and accuracy. Some of the classes will focus on techniques. So the first week is about tools and sharpening, and then we do a little inlay work. And that'll be a lot of fun. I particularly like doing a form of inlay that's carved. Let me go grab a piece. What's up? So this is an example of some carved square plugs, large inlay. And I like to have this pillowed effect. I don't know if you can see that. And that's all done with the chisel and some sandpaper. Square plugs. And then this shape here is also left raised. A little piece of brass, left raised. So there's some different techniques for doing this inlay. Week 2 of the Hand Tool Shop focuses on carving, and this is one of the projects we'll be working on. This is a little rosette with some texturing. This is a basket weave pattern. Week 3 we'll do a dovetail project, a dovetail toolbox, although this one of mine is finger jointed. But about this size and shape with that steam bent handle. I still have to make my steam bent handle, but a steam bent handle and a dovetail toolbox in week 3. So lots of handwork and then a little bit of steam bending, which is a lot of fun. Week 4 we end up with a joinery project where we build some sawhorses. Slightly different design than what you're used to seeing for sawhorses. Let me grab one. This is one of our sawhorse designs, and it's all mortise and tenon, through wedge mortise and tenon. And I do it with pine and cedar, so they're super light. And I love having them because they're easy to stack and I can move them all around the shop. So that's week 4 of the Hand Tool Shop. It's a great month of classes. I hope you'll check out the website and see about joining us for the Hand Tool Shop.